In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an AI agent on Gumloop. We'll move through the process step by step so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the Gumloop website. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Agents. This is where all the tools for building and managing your AI agents live. If you land directly on the Agents page, you're in exactly the right place. If not, simply navigate there from the main site. Next, choose Create Agent. This begins a fresh setup so you can define what your agent should do. Think of this as opening a new project space that will hold your agent's settings, instructions, and conversations. After that, select New Chat. This opens a dedicated chat workspace where you'll interact with Gumloop's builder. The chat is your control center. You'll use it to guide the agent's configuration from plain language prompts so you don't need to worry about code or complex menus. In the chat box, type your prompt describing what you want your agent to accomplish. Be clear and specific. For example, explain the agent's purpose, who it will help, the tasks it should handle, and any constraints or preferences. The more concrete your description, the better the initial setup will match your needs. From here, the system will ask you guiding questions to shape the agent. These questions typically cover goals, the kinds of inputs your agent will receive, the format of the outputs you expect, how formal or casual the tone should be, and any resources or references it should consider. Answer as precisely as you can, and don't worry if you don't have perfect wording. Short, direct responses work well. Continue following the prompts and respond to each question in sequence. If something doesn't look right, clarify or revise your answer in the chat. Gumloop uses that conversation to refine the agent's configuration. Keep your instructions consistent and restate important constraints or examples to make them stick. Once you've provided the details, the system will begin building your agent. This can take a little time. You may see a progress indicator or messages confirming what's happening. While it's building, avoid closing the tab or refreshing the page so the setup can complete without interruption. If you need to step away, leave the window open and let it finish. And that's it. You navigated to Gumloop, opened agents, created a new agent, started a new chat, described what you need, answered the guided questions, and let the builder do its work. Follow these same steps anytime you want to create another agent tailored to a different task.